Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu, SunPy, Solar Data Analysis, Episode 7 of 12. Sometimes you do not know the exact time a solar event happened. You just want to ask a database to show you all the coronal mass ejections from last month. If you try to pull that directly from an image archive, you will either get millions of files or nothing at all. To bridge the gap between abstract events and actual pixels, we use two specific tools: the Heliophysics Event Knowledgebase, or HEK, and the Joint Science Operations Center, or JSOC. The HEK is a catalog of physical solar phenomena. It records flares, active regions, and coronal mass ejections detected by various algorithms and human observers. Many users query the HEK expecting to receive image files in return. They do not. The HEK returns event metadata. When you search it, you get a data table containing start times, peak times, bounding polygons, and observation notes. To search the HEK, you use the standard Fido search function. You provide a time range, and then you add a specific HEK event attribute. If you're looking for a coronal mass ejection, you pass the HEK CME attribute. The database evaluates this and returns a list of matching events. From that list, you isolate the specific event you want and extract its peak time. You now have a precise temporal coordinate for your phenomenon. With that precise time in hand, you move to the second step, fetching the actual imagery. For detailed solar dynamics observatory data, you query the JSOC. The JSOC is the primary archive for instruments like AIA and HMI. It stores the heavy data series containing the actual pixels. You construct a new Fido search using the peak time you extracted from the HEK. This time you pass a JSOC series attribute. This tells the archive exactly which instrument and data product you need. You can refine this further using a JSOC segment attribute to pull only specific data files rather than an entire data cube. Here is the key insight. Unlike generic queries, JSOC processes data exports on demand, and it requires user identification. You must include a JSOC notify attribute containing your registered email address inside your Fido search. If you omit the email address, the query will fail. The JSOC servers queue your request, prepare the exact cut of data you asked for, and stage it for download. By chaining these two systems together, you completely automate the discovery process. You start with a broad time frame, ask the HEK to pinpoint exactly when a specific event occurred, and pass those precise timestamps to the JSOC to retrieve the raw imagery. The knowledge base gives you the map, and the operations center gives you the territory. That's all for this one. Thanks for listening, and keep building.